he a boy or a girl?
He's a boy.
He's cute.
Do you have dogs?
No, I have a Chihuahua
Oh.
and a Maine Coon.
Oh, wow. A cat?
Yeah.
Okay.
Same color as the one over there.
Nice. Are you guys thinking about getting another dog?
I don't know. When we get a big house,
Okay.
my mom said we were. Do you know his name?
Duke.
Duke? Hi, Duke. Duke.
Did you look at the color of his eyes?
Can I see your eyes, Duke? They're so pretty.
Aren't they? They're kind of green, aren't they?
Mm-hmm. A greenish blue.
He's pretty amazing, I think.
He's cute.
He's really cute.
Aren't you, Duke?